Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be putting a new sync button onto this power board here. This is the power board from the Xbox that I fixed in my last video with the timing issue. I didn't actually notice that it was missing the sync button. Now I'm going to use the sync button from this board because this is a faulty board here. It has a damaged connector here, all the pins are broken off it. And I did see these kind of buttons, this button here. I did find them on AliExpress. I was looking for ages and I found them, but like I think 5 of them were like €12 or something, and that's the only place I could find them. And it's probably not even worth buying because this board itself was only like €14 on AliExpress. So it would obviously be easier to just change the board, but because I have this donor board, I'm going to try and change this and see how it goes. So I'll get it under the microscope and hopefully it goes okay. Okay, so I tested it after it's fully working. I am sorry about the short video, but I am working on a Nintendo Switch at the moment and it needs trace repair underneath the APU, so hopefully I'll have that video released soon enough. It should be interesting because I've had to reball and do trace repair on it, so hopefully I can get it going. Thanks for watching.